Welcome to How to Garden. Man, this video has been so long in the making. Today I'm going to showcase a particular plant that is one of my favorite native plants here in Florida. We have two varieties. Only one grows in my area, so that's the one I'll be filming. But you got to check this out. This right here is glossy leaf wild Florida coffee. This stuff is awesome. So here it is in all its glory. This is the glossy leaf wild Florida coffee. Like I said, we have two varieties. The other one's the soft leaf variety, and the easiest way to tell the difference is how shiny the leaves are. See how shiny these leaves are? The other variety, the soft leaf, is not shiny. This is the shiny leaf variety. These are the cherries. They're absolutely fantastic and edible. Not bad. So I've got a pretty good sized little colony of them right here. I mean, that's really, really nice all together. And I will be collecting some of these for my nursery. So that's going to be a fantastic add-in. Florida native plants are a wonderful thing to have here. One of the really interesting things about this coffee is it does not contain caffeine. None. You can still take the tiny little seeds and roast them up and make a cup of coffee though. It's not bad, but it's not the African varieties that we're used to when we have a cup of joe. To find this coffee in Florida, you gotta kind of understand environment. Now, the glossy leaf is often found in what's considered a higher woodland environment. Something like this. They also require absolute full shade, which is why they're doing so well underneath this live oak. The oak also happens to fertilize them very well. They really like the soil around the oak tree. Now, we have one large mother plant right here and a whole bunch of babies. Now the thing is, I've been walking through this little section of woods and there's actually coffee plants all over the place. And I'll show you. Look, here's more, and there's some more over there. That's fantastic. And they're all just, if they're old enough, they're loaded with fruit. In the spring, they have a nice little tiny white flower. It's fabulous. And then in the fall, you get your coffee. If you want a good native plant to grow in your yard and you have one of those full shade situations, this is a plant that can bring interest to your yard. The glossy leaves make it stand out. The red berries are fantastic. And, well, frankly, you can go, I grow coffee.